Now, what we're doing here today is I want to know if I ordered these wheels. I never tried them on, so we're gonna give it a try on today, hoping that it fits. And she's very dirty, so don't mind her being dirty. Okay, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. I feel like I'm working on a real car. Like, I'm not really a mechanic guy. Okay. Pull that off. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Let me tell you, she look good in here, man. Right. I'm gonna go this way. Right. I hope these things fit, man. I'm gonna slide this under here for some support. I see guys doing this with real mechanic work too. I see them jack it up, drop a tire under there. If you don't have a jack lift stand. Okay, so doom. Now that's the good thing about having these 17 millimeter hacks on here. Oh, does it fit? I guess it's there. I'm gonna stick this back on there, and also the hot rod racing caps don't look bad on there. I might leave them. Just because they're black, they blend right in. I might leave them on here. Okay, I think I'll be good. Okay, we're good. Wow. Oh, let's see if the back one goes on. Uh-oh. Oh, they fit. Stick that there. Oh. Oh, it's a lovely sound. Yikes. All right. Now what we have here is the Crusher bolted on-road tires. You see the low pro tire on here? Has a deep dish concave to it. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Wow, look at that. They're awesome. They fit. They fit lovely. Oh, look at that. Woo, I'm going to turn the AC on, guys. Be right back. This is the Armour Kraton 4S bolted crusher wheels on road. Nice. RC cars, this thing is my baby. The Traxxas Max is pretty comparable. I like the Traxxas Max too. I like the Max, the Traxxas Max. The Traxxas Max, you'd be surprised how that thing runs. And you'd be surprised how this thing runs. But now, yeah, I'm there. It's on there tight. Wow. That looks good. That looks awesome. I'm gonna grab your camera here and we're gonna give it a little spin around. I put on there. Oh my. We're gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop it. See what it looks like. Look at that thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, this is awesome. This is out of this world with these things, man. When I was younger, I used to get the cheap RCs, but now, man, listen, these things are out of this world. Yeah. It's sitting lovely, no? You can't tell me this truck is not sitting lovely with these. Let's get a nice stance. Okay. Right there. Boom. What the heck did Armor Craton create here? What did they create, man? Look at it, man. I'm happy. Hey, shout outs to Christ RC. Go to Christ RC, check him out. He gave me the go on these things, you know. He let me know that it's a possibility that they would fit. And they fit. So shout outs to him and his channel and what he does, and for him being honest with me, being, you know, oh my god. Woo-wee. Oh my.